Historically, there's been some problems in trying to be proactive and productive in regulating and overseeing different parts of the system. So what we see is the CQC, who are the main regulator, going out and doing a 3-yearly review of every site that delivers any sort of care. And each of those sites gets a score. It says whether it is good or it's bad, or whether it needs improvement, or whether it's excellent. All of those services are given their rating based on a single day and data that they may submit at various times when asked. But there is no unleashing of the true capability of what digital offers, which is real-time information on a streaming basis, which will be interpretable through the various types of AI and tools that are out there, which other forms of industry are using. So looking across financial services, looking at the way that trading is done and regulated, looking across the education sector and the way that we're beginning to do education digitally, the unleashing within the computing sector of being able to work remotely and monitoring and regulating activity. It's interesting within healthcare that we are miles and miles behind all of these other sectors in the way that we think about how to monitor such a really fundamentally important part of our society through health. Regulators need to move into the role of being surveyors of the whole market and not simply acting as a pinpoint check of the market. This is how we've ended up with crises and scandals across the market, where ticking the boxes and having forms that look at individual performance of services can result in very hidden problems, not ever coming to the forefront. By creating standards in the way that data are reported, mandating the reporting of that information, and looking at how people are looked after day by day, getting feedback from people in the community on a day-by-day basis, and having the mechanisms of managing all of that, interpreting it, and raising flags where appropriate, will make sure that these regulators are perfectly able to really see where those problems arise before they ever become outstanding scandals that hit the front page of the Daily Mail.